Did you know there are mega projects that have pushed the limits of what's possible? These incredible projects have broken records and set new standards. In today's video, we'll explore some of the tallest, largest, longest, and highest mega projects ever built. But before we dive into these incredible feats, make sure to subscribe to Top Futuristic and share your thoughts about this video in the comments below. Tallest tower in the world. Let's begin with the world's tallest tower. Tokyo Skytree, once completed, became taller than Tokyo Tower, which had stood as a landmark since 1958. Tokyo Tower, at 333 meters, was the world's tallest freestanding tower back then and served as the city's primary broadcasting tower for 50 years. But as more skyscrapers emerged in the city, the signals from Tokyo Tower started facing interruptions. This issue grew over time, leading to the decision to replace the old tower. In 2008, the construction of a much taller tower began. Nearly 100 architects and engineers contributed to designing the Tokyo Skytree. Its design draws inspiration from traditional Japanese architecture, with curves resembling a samurai sword's blade. When planning the Tokyo Skytree, one crucial factor was earthquake resistance. Japan experiences over 10% of all earthquakes globally, making building the world's tallest tower a challenge due to earthquake risks. To mitigate potential earthquake damage, the tower features a triangular base with 3 legs, similar to a tripod. The entire structure is centered around core pillars to reduce tremors and earthquake damage. Thanks to these advanced techniques, the tower can withstand an earthquake of magnitude 8.0. After a meticulous construction process spanning 4 years, the Tokyo Skytree was finally finished in 2012. It stands at a height of 634 meters, earning the title of the world's tallest tower, surpassing China's Canton Tower. This construction came with an $800 million price tag and now serves as Japan's largest broadcasting tower. By doubling the previous height, the new broadcasting tower prevents signal interference with the city's growing skyscrapers, ensuring smooth TV and radio transmission throughout Tokyo. Furthermore, the Tokyo Skytree is a tourist attraction, offering 2 observation decks at heights of 350 and 450 meters above the ground. Since its opening in 2012, the tower has welcomed over 300 million visitors. While it holds the record for the world's tallest tower, it's the second tallest structure globally, following the 830-meter-tall Burj Khalifa. It's important to note that the Tokyo Skytree isn't classified as a skyscraper or building because it's not intended for habitation. As for its world record, the Tokyo Skytree may soon face competition from Dubai, where they plan to construct the first 1,000-meter-tall tower. Tallest bridge in the world. The Millau Viaduct in southern France holds the title of the tallest bridge globally. It soars to a height of 336 meters, even surpassing the Eiffel Tower. This impressive bridge cost $424 million to construct, making it taller than many famous bridges. In fact, it stands over 100 meters taller than San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge and is 4 times the height of New York's iconic Brooklyn Bridge. Opened in 2005, the Millau Viaduct not only set a world record, but also addressed a significant traffic problem as part of the A75 motorway connecting Paris to Barcelona. Previously, travelers experienced delays on the old A75 due to its winding route and increased summer traffic. Construction on the Millau Viaduct started in 2001, employing innovative engineering techniques. The bridge is supported by 7 pylons emerging from 15-meter deep shafts, reaching heights of up to 244 meters. Rather than installing the bridge in sections, the entire deck was built on plateaus and then pushed into place using a complex hydraulic system. The bridge features a curved design to alleviate the feeling of floating at such heights. Side screens help counter wind effects, and it is slightly inclined to enhance driver visibility. Despite its intricate design and great height, this mega project was completed in just 3 years. The finished bridge bypassed the Millau Valley and linked 2 sections of the motorway. Over the years, it has proven to be a highly successful project, with over 5 million vehicles crossing it annually. It's important to note that while the Millau Viaduct is the tallest bridge in terms of architectural height, it isn't the highest. That record is held by China's Doge Bridge, which stands 565 meters above the Baipan River. However, the towers supporting the Doge Bridge are only 269 meters tall, ranking it as the 11th tallest bridge globally. China also boasts the world's longest bridge, the Danyang-Kunshan Grand Bridge, part of the Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway, which opened in 2011 and spans 165 kilometers. Biggest airport in the world. Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson Airport began operating in 1925. It was constructed on a former auto racetrack and covered an area just over 1 square kilometer, roughly the size of 45 Manhattan city blocks. During World War II, the airport doubled in size, and by 1957, it had become the busiest airport in the United States. This rapid growth was due to Atlanta's strategic location. The city is within a 2-hour flight from most major population centers in the U.S., making it a key gateway into the country. Its proximity to other major cities also attracts business and tourism. Atlanta ranks as the 7th most visited city for business travel in the U.S. Atlanta is home to the headquarters of 10 Fortune 500 companies, including giants like Coca-Cola, the Home Depot, and Delta Airlines, the world's largest airline company. Hartsfield-Jackson is also the primary airport serving the region, since it's distant from other major airports, meaning most travelers in and out of the area pass through here. This explains why Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport claimed the title of the world's busiest airport in 1999 and held this record for 2 decades, handling over 107 million passengers in 2019. The only other airport to cross the 100 million mark was Beijing Capital International Airport. In 2019, Los Angeles International Airport came third with an annual passenger traffic of over 88 million. These rankings changed significantly in 2020 due to COVID-19 lockdowns and restrictions. Hartsfield-Jackson remained the busiest airport in the U.S., serving 42 million travelers, but China's Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport overtook it globally with more than 43 million passengers in 2020. Officials at Hartsfield-Jackson believe that these rankings are temporary, and as restrictions ease, the airport will regain its top position. Despite its incredible traffic, Hartsfield-Jackson isn't as expansive as some other airports worldwide. It now spans over an area of 19 square kilometers, which is more than 5 times the size of New York's Central Park. Still, it falls significantly short of Saudi Arabia's King Fahd International Airport, which holds the title of the world's largest airport by size, and is at least 40 times larger than Hartsfield-Jackson. Longest train tunnel in the world. Railways have to cross various terrains like rivers, hills, and even entire cities. These obstacles can slow down train journeys and make transporting goods a lengthy process. In the 1990s, the Swiss Alps had a similar issue. Most goods were transported by trucks through the winding mountain roads. This increased the risk of traffic jams, accidents, and longer delivery times. Snow in the winters made things even slower. To solve this, they proposed building a train tunnel through the Alps called the Gotthard Tunnel. It was approved in 1992 after Swiss voters held a referendum. They also agreed to shift goods from roads to railways. The tunnel excavation started in 2000, and in 2010, they made the first break. They used a massive 410-meter-long boring machine, about the size of 4 football fields. They removed a total of 28 million tons of rock to prepare the tunnel. Much of the rock was recycled into concrete used in the tunnel's construction. The Gotthard Tunnel became the longest train tunnel globally when it opened in December 2016, surpassing Japan's 54 kilometers second rail tunnel. The Channel Tunnel between France and the UK, previously Europe's longest tunnel at 51 kilometers, slipped to 3rd place. Now, over 250 freight trains pass through the Gotthard Tunnel every day. With most goods moving by train, the environmental impact of heavy trucks is reduced. Additionally, 60 passenger trains go through the tunnel daily, some reaching speeds of over 250 kilometers per hour. This has significantly shortened travel times between Switzerland and Italy, with the entire tunnel journey taking less than 20 minutes. Building the Gotthard Tunnel cost $12 billion. However, the revenue from transporting goods and passengers through the tunnel exceeds $400 million per year. Another $100 million is saved in environmental costs related to heavy trucks, so the construction expenses can be easily recouped. What do you think about these incredible megaprojects? Have you visited any of them? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you'd like to explore more similar projects, check out our video on the biggest megaprojects in the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.